bukan batas Tuhan aku lari menuju siku. Kalau kita tahu itu bagaimana? Kira, ambo.
Thank you very much for the Sim. Mula Pinaka, ladies and gentlemen. I acknowledge the Turangani Koro, the elderly and the senior members of Nasomo village, the ladies, the Marama sitting at the back there, children, the Turangani Koro, the trustees and members of the Nasomo Landowners Trust, members of the media, the government officials, including my team from the Minerals Department, relevant stakeholders, my members from the officers from the Fiji Police Force who are here with me today. I also request you to remember our PS who is a bit sick and in hospital in your prayers, please. The Deputy Secretary, the Manager Mines here with me, the media team. Very big thank you from behalf of all of us. As you know, in 6 days' time, it is the birthday of our Lord Jesus Christ, on Christmas Day. And I bring the compliments, season's greetings from the Prime Minister, Honorable Varangi Beni Marama, the Party General Secretary, Honorable Ayase Kayum, and all the Cabinet Ministers. Merry Christmas to everybody from the government side. I always look forward to coming to Nasomo. It's almost like a second home to me now. I've been here a lot of times. As you know, I'm just across that hill from Vesaru in Bath, so neighbors. And it is a pleasure to be back here amongst all of you of shade in the 6th payout of the fair share of gold and silver royalties for Nasomo Landowners Trust. You would remember, I was here on the 25th of October to officiate in the 5th payout, and I made a promise to you all that I will be here for the 6th payment to be given before Christmas. My being here today with my team is a fulfillment of that promise, and it's a testament to the people from the Fijian government, that is your government, the government's commitment in walking the talk, and its efforts to improve the livelihood and enhance the socio-economic empowerment of all Fijians. This payout is for the period September to November 2019 and is the 6th payment made to Nasomo since the enactment of the Fair Share of Mineral Royalty Act 2018. For this payout, a total of approximately $87,400 has been confirmed as the Mineral Royalty Fair Share payout for the Nasomo Trust members. This makes it the highest payout to date, the highest payout. And I would like to acknowledge the efforts of Watupola Gold Mines Limited in continuing to explore for the mine and gold and silver under your land. For as long as mining is undertaken under Nasomo land, you all as trust members will continue to receive fair share of gold and silver royalty based on the saleable material extracted from your land. Of this 87,400, 20,000 was paid to the trust early this week to facilitate the trust plan to have a traditional Solevu function for the land owned by the trust, and I am grateful to the trust members for unanimously agreeing to the Solevu and for continuing to uphold the value, Itoke customs and traditions. As such, approximately $67,400 will be equitably distributed or shared amongst 123 trust members. And again, I take my hat off to you, the trust members, in continuing to voluntarily contribute to the Nasomo Community Development Fund to assist with the Trust Community Development Plans.
Nakshawale.
This payout is aligned to Section 5 of the Fair Share of Royalties of Minerals Royalties Act 2018, which states that 80% of the mineral royalties be given to landowning units and 20% of the royalty be retained by the state. I would like to remind you here that before the Bainimarama government came in, before the Fiji First government came in, there was no such provision. It is the Bainimarama government that has brought in the law that now allows that any mineral that is extracted from your land, the gold, silver, copper, or any mineral that is taken from your land, 80% of the royalty paid by the mining company comes to you directly. So we must all thank the Bainimarama government for that. To date, the Bainimarama government has paid a total of approximately $400,000 to the Nosomo Lenanos Trust. There's just 100,000 short of $500,000 that has come to you. With projections that the Fiji mining sector will gradually expand, given an increase in mineral exploration interest, and with 3 exploration projects at an advanced stage, as well as 1 project under mine development and 1 project recently commencing production, I am confident that the mining sector in Fiji will continue to play an integral role in national economic development and nation building, whilst promoting sustainable mining practices that will protect the integrity of our environment and ensure that economic benefits trickle down to you, the landowners, and improve your socio-economic status. It is paramount, and I would like to reiterate that this before concluding my address, that as recipients of mineral royalty fair share, and given that mineral is not as a non-renewable resource, that you sustainably manage these funds to ensure that you and your future generations continue to reap the benefits of these mineral royalties in future. And I ask you to utilize this payout wisely over the festive season. I was just speaking to the members of the police force outside. Usually we notice that when the money is given before Christmas, the youth, the young people especially, they spend a lot in buying alcohol and beer and all the other stuff. I'm from Ba, I know how it's done there. Soon as the kind payment comes, all the shops run out of beer. But when that happens, there's 2 problems with that. First, your family suffers and the community suffers, because then the young people, after they drink a lot of beer and alcohol, then they start causing all problems, and there's a lot of work for my officers out there. So please, as village elders and responsible family members, when this royalty payout is given, please use it wisely. Save it, some for your children, for your grandchildren. Schools will open in January, so we can use that money for good use. Money comes after very hard work. Our miners go about 2 kilometers underground to extract gold. They sell it, then Vatsakola gold mine pays to the government, and then we share the royalty. It comes at a very great cost, so please use the money wisely. Once again, I take this time to thank you for your warm welcome. On behalf of my team, I wish you all a blessed and Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2020. And once again, on behalf of my Prime Minister, Bainimarama, all the cabinet ministers, all the members of Parliament, all my staff, media team, everybody from the government and officers, I wish people of Nosomo a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.